Next, we have Algebra 1. And I know there's a wide variety of math levels and math programs that are used in Challenge 1, but for the sake of our discussion, we're going to be using Ch1 Algebra 1. And each week in class, we'll be discussing any of the problems that you're working on, as well as the key concepts that are found in this book. So let's talk about how we will study math. So first, when you approach a math lesson, before you ever read the lesson, you want to skim for the vocab and the rules, which in math are typically called formulas. And you'll want to throw those onto some flashcards or onto a TBDB, the big deal book, where you're going to write those down so that you can be drilling them every day. Next, you'll read or watch your lessons. And this is where an instructor is going to tell you how to apply those rules and formulas and what the vocab means. So make sure that you read and watch those completely. You may find it helpful to jot down some notes along the way as well. Then you'll want to solve some problems, and that allows you now to participate in the math so that you're not just a spectator, but you're actually doing the math. And finally, you can assess what you've learned by taking tests. So in my home, my students are responsible for their daily work. They grade their own daily work. They look for where they've made mistakes and they learn how to fix those for the next time. But when they take their tests, then they bring those to either their father or to me, and we grade those tests. Ch1 makes this very easy. Every test is worth 20 points, and so you simply calculate the total number earned, divide it by the total number possible, and multiply it by 100. That'll give you your percentage for that particular exam. If you're using a different math curriculum and you want to keep track in this grade book, you're welcome to use it and just type right over those assignments so that it reflects the math that you're using.